we were founded by a renewable energy specialist. We entered the market around 4 years ago, really to bring that quality control, reassurance for the transition to electric vehicle charging. Very much focusing on quality, bringing the best components of the market together. We tendered globally for the best appliances, the best quality, the best products, and we really focus on that service delivery, bringing the whole turnkey solution to our clients and to their clients. Really making sure that we're the number one and most flexible provider in the industry, providing funded or client-funded solutions to market. We can invest, you can invest, we can invest together. The early adopters and early movers, potentially people purchasing electric vehicle chargers for new developments, retrofitting, very much focused on cheap appliances, okay? It was a tick box exercise. Now it's part of your brand and it's actually part of your business. So what EVC really provide is a solution that's protected, that protects your client base. We have an amazing SLA as well, so if something does go wrong on the charger and the eventuality something does go wrong, we will be on site. We're here to manage the solution. You focus on your day-to-day business, we'll focus on providing the best charging experience. We are a charge point operator, CPO, the delivery of that product, but we'll do the work, we'll do the design, we'll do the feasibility. Whether that's reviewing your current spare capacity to make sure the charging speed matches your desired dwell time of the end user or the service you require, or we can even bring in the new power through the IDNO specialists. We're grid specialists, we've delivered solar farms, wind farms. This is the area of expertise, and that's why we're making such a massive impact in the market. What we're hearing is that we really go the extra mile for our clients. It's about a service, about the customer care. If you have a problem or you have a question or even your customer needs something, you've got a dedicated account manager, you have a 24-hour customer care team. It's a business, it's a family, it's a partnership. We're investing in your land in a partnership together.